We got a 2005 J4500 MCI. Customer states that the brakes are dragging, they don't feel right, loss of power driving down the road, and smoke coming from the wheels. So let's see what we found. What we found is this relay valve right here had failed. And what this relay valve does is when you push the parking brake in, it supplies air to that relay valve, which then follows this line right here. It supplies air to that line, which that line runs all the way down to this brake chamber. And so what it does is when you push the parking brake in, it actually compresses that spring in that chamber, which then releases these brakes. As you can see, these brakes are smoked. You can look at the caliper and the pads, and you can also look at this actual brake rotor itself, and man, it's pretty bad shape. And then if you come to the other side, this is also the drive axle, and as you can tell, it is in bad shape. You can see the flaking off the pads. You can see where the boot has been burned off. You see that white? That's where the grease was burning because it got so hot. You can look at the rotor and you can see the thickness difference in that rotor right there, where it had wore some of the back. I know that naturally the front side is thicker than the back side, but you can tell how much, like if you look at the back, you can tell how much is worn. That's why you should know your equipment. Know when to stop driving it, tow it, call somebody that knows something about it. Good job on the owner's part. He realized that there was a problem and didn't try and drive it, because if he did, this bus would have burned to the ground and somebody could have got hurt. So good job on the owner's part. He did what he was supposed to do. Now, this is not a cheap fix. Like I said, at least nobody was hurt. We'll get it taken care of. New relay valve fixed that problem. Now we just got to fix the brakes.